Amsterdam from under. So
let's go. I think we're okay. Made it. Okay, Peter's worked his magic with Stroma.com to launch our boat from here.
So we're now in the center of Amsterdam.
Yeah.
Yes. Go. We're going to go in the Amsterdam afterback.
Okay.
So you go in the front. Hey, if it suits, doesn't it?
Yeah, it fits like
All right. Here you have the way to communicate with.
Permission granted to enter the water. Peter.
All right. Well, now you get the most marvelous moment because the elephant is going to go into the water.
Okay, we are golden.
We're floating.
We are floating.
We are floating.
Okay, we are secure. Hold on, let me just go back a second. I just need to get a few things sorted. Yeah. In the city centre, that was a traumatic 5 minutes. We adjusted the canoe. Oh shit, Peter. Nearly had our first accident. Where are we going?
And as usual, Nathan doesn't do anything. And Peter says,
I got my skivvy doing the work. Yeah. Keep paddling, Peter. Keep going, Peter.
Yeah.
Come on, Peter.
That was a really huge.
Splendidly. Why is that?
Yeah, because the weather is good, the company is good. I am the one who is now pedaling and steering.
Oh, you're doing all the work.
Time, like I just all the trip did. Yeah. But, we're having a lot of fun, and it was a good idea. But the last mile is always the
toughest.
Longest, the toughest.
Yeah,
we will make it and we will succeed.
But we made it, huh?
Yeah.
Success!